Guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make buns for sale, buns for commercial purpose, in case you've been looking for side hustles that you can just do with very little capital. With this recipe of mine, you're going to be making enough profits. Now for this recipe, you'll be needing butter, you'll be needing sugar, you'll be needing milk flavor. Now we're not going to be using the normal milk because obviously milk is expensive. You'll be needing vanilla flavor. You can use liquid one if you have. You'll be needing nutmeg, baking powder, yeast, and then the most important ingredient of all, which happens to be your flour. So you're going to get a clean bowl. I'll be using 6 cups of flour for this recipe. Now for this 6 cups of flour, I'm going to be putting half and quarter cup of sugar. You can divide the sugar based off of the quantity of flour you intend on frying with. Now I'll be going in with 1 milk flavor. Whatever thing you're putting in here, guys, don't forget to mix properly. You don't want one part tasting different from the other. Okay, now immediately you put anything you mix. You can use 2 milk flavor if you want to use that. Now I'll be using this baby spoon to put 2 spoonful of yeast. Emphasis on this baby spoon, please don't go using the normal baby spoon, the normal big spoon rather. Now I'll be putting 1 full of baking powder and mixed again. That thing you just want me put now is a pinch of salt, very little salt, and you mix again. See, you can see the quantity of butter I'm using. It does not require too much butter. So after putting the butter, you do what? You mix again. Keep on mixing that dough, guys. Now this thing I'm pouring in now is just a mixture of 1 egg and water. Pour in and mix properly. Mix that egg properly into that dough. Now this is where the kneading comes in. Now you're going to add water and keep kneading. Please, you're going to be adding this water little by little because you don't want your dough to be too watery. You want it to be just like this. You see this consistency? This is the perfect consistency that you need because you need your buns to be soft. So you don't need it to be hard. Keep on, even if it's not like this, keep on adding it. Now if you don't have a pan, you can just apply flour on a cake board. Spread flour on the cake board and then you roll your dough. I'll be doing that off camera because this video is really chaotic for me right now. So you're going to put your pot of groundnut oil on the stove, and not groundnut oil, please, because you need that buns to float, and then you mold your buns. If you're not sure of the size because of the yeast that you used in frying the buns, fry one first and see how it is, then you can know how to mold your buns. You see, because of these, you see the small dough I rolled before. See how big the buns is. It just doubles in size because of the yeast, and because of this you'll be able to make enough profit. Now see how the inside is. It's not all bubbly, there's no much space inside, which is why I gave you the exact amount of yeast to put in, so your buns will not start looking like a donut and be looking like all